Tesla is finally coming to India. But not the way you think. No factory. No big investment. Not yet. Instead, Elon Musk is opening two showrooms. One in Mumbai and one in New Delhi. Why this small move matters? Because it might change the future of electric vehicles in India. Let's break down the real reason behind Tesla's entry and what it means for you. Tesla has already leased premium real estate in India's top 2 cities. The showrooms are being set up and job listings are live. Model Y cars are on the way, imported directly from Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory. But here's the catch, with over 70% import duty, the car price nearly doubles. A Model Y that costs 27 lakh abroad will cost over 45 lakh rupees in India. And yet, Tesla is still coming. Earlier this year, India launched a bold offer for EV makers. Set up a factory with an investment of at least $500 million. And get reduced import duties of just 15%. Big brands like Hyundai and Mercedes showed interest. But Tesla said, not now. India's heavy industries minister confirmed. Tesla is currently not interested in manufacturing in India. It's only looking to set up sales and service operations. This move isn't just about business. It's also about geopolitics. Tesla's global strategy depends heavily on how the US and China are positioned. During the 2024 elections, Donald Trump said that Tesla should not manufacture outside the US, especially not in India. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Modi sees Tesla as a symbol of India's economic rise. But Elon Musk? He's playing safe, testing the Indian market, step by step. So why just showrooms? It's all about minimizing risk and maximizing data. Tesla wants to see how Indians respond to premium EVs. Will they buy? Will they wait? And more importantly, will Tesla's brand grow in India, without a factory? Also, Tesla has already registered an Indian company, leased an office in Mumbai, and started hiring for logistics and legal teams. This is a long-term game. But it won't be easy. Tesla faces 4 major problems in India. Number 1, price. At over 45 lakh rupees, the Model Y is not affordable for most Indians. Number 2, infrastructure. Charging stations are still limited, even in major cities. Number 3, competition. Tata, Mahindra, and even Ola are investing heavily in affordable EVs. And number 4, low EV demand. Electric vehicles are just 5% of total car sales in India today. The road is not smooth. Even without manufacturing, India still benefits. Tesla already sources over $1 billion worth of components from Indian suppliers. That will increase. India gets access to cutting-edge EV tech, possible Starlink services, and a strong signal to other global investors that India is open for high-tech business. It's about more than just cars. It's about the future of Indian innovation. So what's next? Here are 3 possible futures for Tesla in India. Scenario A, Tesla stays premium. Just showrooms. No factory. Scenario B, Tesla builds a battery or component plant, and later a full car factory. Scenario C, Tesla partners with an Indian brand to launch a more affordable electric vehicle. What do you think is most likely? Comment A, B, or C below. So here's the bottom line. Tesla's move into India is slow, but strategic. Showrooms today. Maybe a factory tomorrow. But the foundation is being built now. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into global business, strategy, and tech. This is Shankar, and you're watching Today's World. See you in the next one.